Hey everyone, welcome back to our Lalbagh Study Tour series. As the first episode consists the basic information, one should be aware of Lalbagh and about the Lalbagh Lake. Second episode is about Sri Chamarajendra Odayar. The third episode highlights a HMT floral clock which is 37 years old and is still working. The fourth episode is about the Peninsula Gneisses. And our previous episode was about the glass house. All the links will be in the description box below, also will be up here in the I button. Please do check them out after this video. Without any more further ado, let's start with our Lalbagh study tour, episode 6, The Flowers of Lalbagh. First, let's know the basic information one should be aware about flowers. A flower is a reproductive part of flowering plants. Flowers are also called the bloom or blossom of a plant. Flowers have petals. Inside the part of a flower that has petals are the parts which produce pollen and seeds. In all plants, a flower is usually its most colorful part. We say the plant flowers is flowering or is in the flower when this colorful part begins to grow bigger and open out. There are many different kinds of flowers in different areas in the world. Even in the coldest places, for example the Arctic, flowers can grow during a few months. Flowers may grow separately on the plant or they may grow together in an inflorescence. Keyword: inflorescence. An inflorescence is a flowering stem. The stem is most used for a group or cluster of flowers arranged on a stem. An inflorescence is the reproductive portion of a plant. Each plant bears its flowers in a specific pattern. Structure of flowers. To investigate the structure of a flower, it must be dissected and its structure summarized by a floral diagram or a floral formula. Then, its family can be identified with the aid of a flora, which is a book designed to help you identify plants. Evolution of flowers. Flowers are modified leaves. They are only present in the flowering plants, angiosperms, which are relatively late to appear in the fossil record. Uses of flowers. Flowers is used for decoration of events, for naming the babies, has food to be eaten, and for other special meanings. As now we are aware about the basic information about flowers, let's know some facts about flowers. Flowers did not always exist. They first appeared 140 million years ago. Before that, ferns and cone-bearing trees dominated the earth. Several centuries ago in Holland, tulips were more valuable than gold. Broccoli is actually a flower. Some plants, such as orchids, do not need soil to grow. They get all of their nutrients from the air. Some plants produce toxic substances that kill other plants around them. The sunflower is an example. Here comes a few quotes too. A flower blooms for its own joy. All the flowers of all the tomorrows are in the seeds of today. A flower does not think of competing with the flower next to it. It just blooms. Every flower is a soul blooming in nature. Every flower blooms in its own time. Earth laughs in flowers. Be like a flower that gives its fragrance even to the hand that crushed it. Here's a quote which I came up with, because many people just pluck flowers on the streets or in the parks even though if it's a prohibited area. So, a flower blooms with its empathy. Remember to show it sympathy. But after knowing all these, I'm sure you might be thinking, how does flowers inspire us? Flowers always attract us towards their beauty and nature. Flowers give us happiness and delight even if they are covered with sharp thorns. They impart a feeling of freshness and soften our hearts when we are sad or unhappy. They purify our surroundings and uplift our life when we are feeling blue. How about a pun? A pun is a joke exploiting the different possible meanings of a word or the fact that there are words which sound alike but have different meanings. Just like this one. Minds are like flowers. They open only when the time is right. That doesn't mean one shouldn't use their mind when the time is not right. However, it's a must to visit Lal Bagh for its amazing beauty and blooming colorful flowers, and mainly for feeling fresh and calm. Vibing to the music and singing with the nature is the best feeling ever. So always remember to spend time with nature too. But why do they make us happy? Why not sad? As proven according to the studies, flowers have a long-term positive effect on our moods. Specifically, study participants reported feeling less depressed, anxious, and agitated after receiving flowers, and demonstrated a higher sense of enjoyment and life satisfaction. Flowers make intimate connections. As a result of this video, we studied the main concepts of flowers and its linkable subjects to understand the in-depth information in a span of 9 minutes. Hope this was helpful, and if you had already learned about flowers, then hopefully this video would have been a recap for you. If you made it till the end here and found our video helpful, then please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Also, if you're interested, then you can join our WhatsApp group to be notified about our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, as we will be interacting with you all live there. All our media links will be in the description box below. Thank you.